guys, as you can see now. I thank my brother there. I'm the older brother, by the way. So you guys know I came very well. I don't sleep since I left. Okay, Mr. Thank you so much. Great meeting for all you guys out there. Black boy. Very good. Revolution has just started.
Yes, sir.
Yes, there's not anybody can do that. In Nigeria, we start.
Courage.
So, talking to you much later, I have to check your hands. Once in a while, they have to try us. We see whether we are still the people who say we are.
Yes.
So when they try it and it doesn't work, then they capitulate. All right. So thank you, everybody. You know, today I'm going to give them a bit of a break. Atiku, thank you. I heard you issue a statement. Peter Obi, thank you. JT, man, where you are. Everybody was talking about here, the Nigerian too. Very dark man, Baba Ye, you won, take it back, guys. Oh, Mama P, yes. I've never met you, even though I've heard a lot about you in News Africa. I hope to meet you one of these days. I saw Wise Man in Lagos, Jamil, everybody that's seeking, yeah, you know, H3, and a crew that came all the way from Lagos. I think they came here for a purpose and they found this. And I have to also especially thank all those retired policemen that I saw today. We are together until the exit CPS, and all our police friends. We have already created a police movement, so they will hear.
Sir, sorry about your heart, sir.
Alright guys, so we're going back to work.
Aluta continues.
Your father's father.
You don't get who they fear for the full country.
Yes, it's spite their